Lamentations 3 verses 22 to 23. Because of the Lord's great love we are not consumed, for his compassions never fail. They are new every morning, great is your faithfulness. Psalm 103 verse 8. The Lord is compassionate and gracious, slow to anger, abounding in mercy. Titus 3 verse 5. He saved us, not because of righteous things we had done, but because of his mercy. He saved us through the washing of rebirth and renewal by the Holy Spirit. Ephesians 2 verses 4 to 5. But because of his great love for us, God, who is rich in mercy, made us alive with Christ even when we were dead in transgressions. It is by grace you have been saved. Psalm 86 verse 5. You, Lord, are forgiving and good, abounding in love to all who call to you. Micah 7 verse 18. Who is a God like you, who pardons sin and forgives the transgression of the remnant of his inheritance? You do not stay angry forever but delight to show mercy. Hebrews 4 verse 16. Let us then approach God's throne of grace with confidence, so that we may receive mercy and find grace to help us in our time of need. Psalm 145 verses 8 to 9. The Lord is gracious and compassionate, slow to anger and rich in love. The Lord is good to all, he has compassion on all he has made. Isaiah 55 verse 7. Let the wicked forsake their ways and the unrighteous their thoughts. Let them turn to the Lord, and he will have mercy on them, and to our God, for he will freely pardon. James 2 verse 13. Because judgment without mercy will be shown to anyone who has not been merciful. Mercy triumphs over judgment. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.